TMJ stuff going on, right? So in through here, and it's on which side?
This side.
Left side. And how did this happen?
I was hit by a golf club when I was playing with my brother.
You had to say it so you can throw your brother under the bus.
Thanks, David.
And kind of drop the shoulder a little bit here. Good. I'm gonna get right in through here with that TMJ. There it is. You hear that little click?
Yes.
How'd that feel?
A little bit scary,
A
but
little bit scary?
awesome.
Yeah. Did you feel it right in through here?
I did.
Direct connection with the neck and TMJ. Muscles of the neck. Relax. Perfect.
I feel like I just survived something. Oh, but I feel like my bite is different.
Does it feel different?
Mm-hmm. I feel like my teeth are touching at a different point.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So you are a influencer. What kind of content do you do? I didn't ask you that.
Oh, I make a lot of content about spreading awareness for albinism, and then also like lifestyle, beauty, a lot of different things.
So just a nice light stretch first. Does that feel good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll do a little bit of an impulse here at the end. Nice and controlled. Whoa. She's trying not to laugh.
I felt that like down here.
I like how she was like trying to hold it in and then she's just like, screw it, I can't.
I told you, you don't know. You don't know what you're gonna do.
I didn't expect this to be in my lumbar.
Isn't that wild?
That was kind of insane.
Okay.
Chat, I was not expecting that. Chat, you need to experience this yourself. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a whole experience. Thank you, Dr. Tad. It was a life-changing experience. My teeth are hitting at different points, and I don't know how, but he popped my hip like 5 times.
What's going on?